Chapter 1. Understanding Financial Markets. Part 3. Overview of Market Hours and Trading Sessions. Understanding the operating hours and trading sessions of financial markets is essential for traders to make informed decisions, especially in the context of global markets. In this section, we'll delve into the distinct trading sessions of the Forex market, the opening and closing times of stock exchanges, and the 24/7 nature of the cryptocurrency market. Forex market trading sessions. The Forex market is renowned for its 24-hour operation, but it's not a continuous free-for-all. Instead, it's divided into distinct trading sessions, each with unique characteristics and overlapping periods. Sydney Trading Session, Asian Session. Opens at 22 hours and closes at 7 o'clock GMT. Characteristics. This session begins in Sydney, Australia, and overlaps with the Tokyo session. Major currency pairs involving the Australian and New Zealand dollars, AUD and NZD, are actively traded. Tokyo Trading Session, Asian Session. Opens at 0 hours and closes at 9 o'clock GMT. Characteristics. Tokyo, Japan, hosts this session, and it overlaps with the Sydney and London sessions. JPY pairs like USD JPY and EUR JPY see significant activity. London Trading Session, European Session. Opens at 8 o'clock and closes at 17 hours GMT. Characteristics. London, as the largest Forex market, is central during this session. The majority of trading volume occurs now with GBP, EUR, and CHF pairs in focus. New York Trading Session, North American Session. Opens at 13 hours and closes at 22 hours GMT. Characteristics. Overlapping with the London session, New York takes over as the European session ends. USD pairs such as EUR USD and GBP USD experience heightened activity. Overlapping sessions. London-New York overlap, 13 to 17 GMT. Tokyo-London overlap, 8 to 9 GMT. Characteristics. These overlapping periods are notable for increased liquidity, making them ideal for trading. The London-New York overlap, in particular, is when many professionals are active. Understanding these trading sessions is crucial because market activity can vary significantly during different times of the day. Traders often align their strategies with these sessions to capitalize on peak trading hours. Stock market trading hours. Stock markets, unlike the Forex market, have specific operating hours, and they may vary depending on the exchange in the country. Here's an overview of the opening and closing times for a few major stock exchanges. New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. Opens at 9:30 hours and closes 16 hours EST, Eastern Standard Time. Characteristics. The NYSE is one of the world's largest stock exchanges and is central to global trading. It's active during U.S. business hours. NASDAQ. Opens at 9:30 hours and closes 16 hours EST, Eastern Standard Time. Characteristics. Similar to the NYSE, NASDAQ is active during U.S. business hours and hosts many technology companies. London Stock Exchange, LSE. Opens at 8 hours and closes 16:30 hours GMT. Characteristics. The LSE operates in Greenwich Mean Time and is active during European business hours. Tokyo Stock Exchange, TSE. Opens at 9 hours and closes 15 hours JST, Japan Standard Time. Characteristics. TSE is prominent during Japanese business hours and overlaps with some other Asian markets. Stock market trading hours are influenced by their respective time zones and local business hours. Traders should be aware of these times to plan their activities effectively. Cryptocurrency market. The cryptocurrency market operates 24/7, which is one of its unique characteristics. It doesn't have defined trading sessions or opening and closing times like the Forex or stock markets. It's a continuous market where trading happens around the clock without any centralized exchange. This 24/7 nature of the cryptocurrency market means that trading can occur at any time, offering flexibility to traders worldwide. However, it also presents the challenge of round-the-clock market monitoring for those actively involved in cryptocurrency trading. Understanding the market hours and trading sessions is crucial for effective market participation and strategy planning. Whether you're a Forex trader aligning your activity with specific sessions, a stock trader adhering to exchange hours, or a cryptocurrency enthusiast enjoying 24/7 availability, knowing when to trade is a fundamental aspect of success. In the upcoming chapters, we will further explore the intricacies of these markets, equipping you with the knowledge and skills needed for informed decision-making during these trading sessions.